it's this whole community outside of his regular life, and it's done wonders for his confidence and his skills and his knowledge. We happened to be down here last summer and we met a docent who told us about garage works. And I was like, amen, you have to do this. This sounds amazing. Yeah, and so I signed him up, and we come down here, the 2 nights a week, and he has developed such amazing confidence and skills, and to the point where he's actually asked for his own car. So we saved up and we got him a 1962 Imperial. And whenever he's not doing his homework, he's out in the yard and he's doing things that I've seen him work on with these guys. And we've brought parts down, and they're always willing to share their knowledge and give them advice, and whether it's troubleshooting or just knowledge, or how to handle yourself around a vehicle. And around a team, how to take direction and learn from different types of mentors. They all have their backgrounds and skill sets, and it has just been just an amazing thing. Like, he looks forward to it, and just to see him grow in confidence and demeanor has just, it's been so amazing.